Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial I'm going to explain morphological operations with OpenCV in Python. Morphology in the context of image processing refers to a set of operations that process images based on their shape and structure. These operations are typically applied to binary images where pixels are either white or black. Morphological operations analyze and manipulate the spatial arrangement of pixels in an image to extract features or modify its structure. In this tutorial, we will briefly learn the fundamental morphological operations opening and closing. These operations are essential tools in the image processing, and we will explain how they work and their applications and how to use them in Python with OpenCV. This tutorial covers the explanation of morphological operations, implementation in OpenCV, and conclusion. Let's get started. What are the morphological operations? Morphological operations consist of a set of image processing techniques that operate on images based on their shape or structure. These operations analyze and manipulate the spatial arrangement of pixels in an image to extract meaningful features or modify its structure. Essentially, they help us investigate and enhance the form of layout of objects within an image. Common morphological operations include erosion, opening, closing, dilation, and more. This tutorial will specifically delve into opening and closing operations. Morphological opening is a sequence of two fundamental operations, erosion followed by dilation. It's particularly useful when we want to remove noise or small objects from binary images while preserving the shape and the size of larger objects. Consider it as a tidying up the image, removing unwanted specks while preserving the essentials. Morphological closing is a counterpart to opening, consisting of dilation followed by erosion. This operation is perfect for closing small holes or gaps in the foreground of binary images. It ensures that the overall shape and size of larger objects remain unaltered while filling in the gaps. OpenCV provides the morphological X function, facilitating the execution of morphological operations on binary or grayscale images. Here is the breakdown of its key parameters. The first one is the image. We need to provide the binary image to apply the morphological operations. The second one is op. This is a parameter specifies the type of morphological operations to be performed. In our example, we can use morph open, morph close constants that indicate the type of operation we want to perform. Then the kernel size it's a matrix that defines the neighborhood of morphological operation. It specifies the size and shape of structuring elements used for erosion and dilation. This is an example how to implement morphological opening and closing operations with OpenCV morphology X function. Now let's take a look at an example of step-by-step morphological open and close operation example with morphology X function. We'll start loading the target image and convert it to grayscale. We define kernel size and apply morphological open and close operation with defined kernel. Finally, we'll display the results. Here is the source code. First, we load the required libraries for this tutorial. Here we use OpenCV, NumPy, and Matplotlib libraries. We load the binary image and convert it to grayscale. Then we define kernel structure, kernel size, and we apply morphological opening and closing. Then we display the output images. We have original image, morphological open, and morphological close images. Here is the output. In this tutorial, we briefly learned how to implement morphological open and close operations with OpenCV. Morphological operations play an important role in image processing, providing robust methods to enhance images, segment objects, and analyze shapes. Understanding the opening and closing operations provide valuable tools for improving the quality of images and extracting meaningful information. That's it for this tutorial. I'll put the source code link of this tutorial right below this video. Please subscribe my channel, hit like button if you like this video. Thank you for watching and see you next time.